Alright, so it's been a couple weeks since you last saw me taking off the head of the engine with the one broken bolt. I've been soaking that. I was down here just tinkering with a few things, but I had the wire wheel on the drill. I was cleaning up the engine, getting some of the paint off. But I was cleaning off this oil filter housing, and as you can see, this little bit of yellow, that's from the original sticker that was on there that told you when to change the oil and stuff. So I just thought that was pretty cool, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. So that little bit of yellow that you can see, it's from the old sticker.
These little pallets that are in here. Alright. Is it running?
Yeah.
Hold on. Come here. Keep that. You want this? There you go. Look. It could crank up. Crank up. Glue yourself back. You're free. Easy. Roll on the wheel. Steer it straight. Your steer. Alright. What you were looking for?
Yeah. That clutch is worn.
Probably got bits of metal and stuff. Oh, I don't know.
Bees.
Bees?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think they're alive.
No. Throw it out there.
Alright. Now what do you need to do? Get the motor stand on this, or you need to take the clutch plate off?
Clutch off.
Clutch off first. Okay, how do you do that?
Take these bolts out. But you gotta hold it when I take that because this piece and the clutch plate try to fall out too. But the ring gear looks pretty good.
Okay, so you gotta loosen up 6 of these.
Yeah, it should be sick.
Alright, get on it. And then what, this motor stand is gonna mount on there.
It should.
With using what? You have bolt?
Yeah, I had a baggie of bolts in my workbench anyway.
Okay. Ford tractor. Break it in half.
Well, if they maintain the tractor, then it wouldn't have broken it. So that's 9/16.
Hold on. You got a 9/16 here. So what you said they were?
Half inch.
flywheel off.
Alright, so as you just saw, we just split the Cub. And we took the clutch off. I think I started recording after we took the bolts out, and we got it broke free pretty much. But nothing, you didn't miss anything when we did that. But I got the clutch here off. I might have to get a new whole clutch assembly, because these fingers look a little worn. But I don't know if I can just get the fingers. I'll look online, see if I can find anything. But I do need a new clutch plate. This one's pretty worn. I haven't taken any of the throwout bearing or stuff apart yet in here. But this bearing seems pretty worn. And throwout bearing seems pretty worn. And shaft and all. Bearing, get that replaced. Besides that, it feels tight in there. Flywheel seems fine, no ridges or anything. But my dad had to go, so we didn't take the flywheel off yet. But we'll try to do that tomorrow or the next day. And we'll put it on the engine stand. Then we'll take the front off, and then we'll take it and put it in the back of the truck or something, or trailer, and take it down to the machine shop. And he'll put new pistons, valves, rings, and whatnot in the engine. So that's it for now. See you hopefully in a day or two. It's about 3 days later, and I just took the flywheel off. Came off without problem. Just 4 bolts. They screw into here, and I just used the impact gun over here. I just zipped them off. So no problems with that. Next thing, my dad has to go to work, so it might be a couple days before we get the chance to get back to this. So it might even be a week from now. So I might just try to post this part 2. So this might be the end of part 2. Because it might be a week till we get back to this, but we'll see.